Hi and a warm welcome to today's video on affiliate marketing without a website for beginners 2021. Interested in tapping into the billion-dollar affiliate marketing industry? This video will help you get started. Start today, and you'll be in a prime position to take advantage of that. In this video, I'll show you how to get started with affiliate marketing without a website. How decide on a platform. Choose your niche. Find affiliate programs to join like Affiliate Tube Success ACADAMY. Create great content. Drive traffic to your affiliate site or channel. But before that, let's cover some basics. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is when you promote other companies' products. When someone buys through your affiliate link, you get a commission. As an affiliate, you're a salesperson for the company. You help to make a sale, the company rewards you. The best thing about affiliate marketing is that you can do it at scale. A typical salesperson only sells products from one company. As an affiliate marketer, you can promote products from many different companies and earn commissions from all of them. How does affiliate marketing work? When someone clicks that link, a small file called a cookie gets stored on their device. An affiliate cookie does two things. It helps the merchant attribute the sale back to the right person. It usually holds an expiration date, so you get paid even if the buyer delays their purchase. Here's an example of how this works. Say for instance that a potential customer visits your YouTube channel, looking for your video on affiliate marketing. They click on one of your affiliate links, leading them to a product, Paul Murphy's Affiliate Tube Success System. Learn how to rank videos on YouTube and Google for free. But for some reason, they leave the computer, maybe to answer the phone, and have to fly out for an hour or two, and then they finally go back to YouTube, where they find the product again. Since they're already shopping on YouTube, they decide to purchase the 24-hour ranking system as well. Here's the good news. Earlier, they clicked on your affiliate link and a cookie was stored on their device. Because of the cookie duration, you get compensated for both the Affiliate Tube Success System and 24-hour ranking system, even though you didn't promote the latter. How much money can I make as an affiliate marketer? The simple answer is that there is no limit. It depends on your niche and the amount of work you put in. The most successful affiliate marketers make 6 or 7 figures a month. For example, Paul Murphy made over $1 million in affiliate commissions in 2019. Keep in mind though that Paul Murphy has done an excellent job building his brand. It's taken him years of hard work to reach this level. You need to manage your expectations. You won't earn the big bucks right off the bat, but don't let this discourage you. The success of others tells you that with hard work, time, and the right knowledge, you too can potentially reach those levels. How to get started with affiliate marketing. Decide on a platform or affiliate program. Theoretically, you can do affiliate marketing on any platform. Even Facebook and Instagram works. However, it's much easier to build an audience and increase your affiliate sales via one of two channels. I use Google and YouTube to rank videos on my channel for free. Yes, free, using Paul Murphy's Affiliate Tube Success System and 24-hour ranking system. Starting a YouTube channel is relatively easy, cost nothing. There are plenty of tutorials online that teach you how to get started. The best part? It'll likely only cost you a few dollars per month. The Affiliate Tube Success ACADAMY is part of the Affiliate Tube Success System. There are plenty of tutorials to teach you how to rank our videos with his system. Once your channel is up and optimized for search engines, you have a better chance of ranking your videos. From there, you're free to add affiliate links in your content after you have gained authority and trust around your product or offer with YouTube. There is an art to doing this, which we'll cover later in this videos. The other platform is Google. Creating and uploading content through YouTube, take for instance your video, it also gets to be rank on Google front page if we do everything Google wants. Google wants to rank your videos for free. What we are trying to do is rank your video on both YouTube and Google. They are both search engines. All people have to do is search for affiliate marketing without a website, which is a keyword, or affiliate marketing for beginners, keyword also. They have a good chance of being sent to your video on how to do affiliate marketing without a website, or for affiliate marketing for beginners, if you are ranking high in Google and YouTube. Optimize your videos for SEO, and include affiliate links in your description. Choose your niche. Let's be honest. If you're starting in affiliate marketing today, you're facing a ton of competition. Statistics estimates that the number in the US will reach over 31.7 million by 2021. To stand the best chance of success is for you to niche down. Choose a topic that focuses on a specific niche. For example, the topic of affiliate marketing is an enormous niche. Rather than tackling that, try something more specific, like affiliate marketing without a website. Then to niche down more, add a tail to that keyword, affiliate marketing without a website for beginners 2021. So we end up niche down to affiliate marketing without a website for beginners 2021. Just an example of how to work this niche down. Keeping your topics tight can help you build a more focused audience and potentially help you rank higher in search engines. That's how to rank videos on Google and YouTube with free organic traffic. Instead of talking about affiliate marketing, decided to limit yourself to just affiliate marketing without a website or affiliate marketing without a website for beginners 2021. Despite not knowing anything about SEO, we will get into that later on. Okay, you need to rank for a long tail keywords. We must have done our homework. Because we want to rank also for the target keyword, which in this instance is affiliate marketing without a website. Right, that's your targeted keyword. Later on we should rank for that keyword and maybe affiliate marketing as well. Adding more videos about affiliate marketing to your channel, you should build trust and authority around your product. Adding more videos on affiliate marketing, YouTube will see that you are authority on your product and start to rank your video higher in the search engines, and that can generate thousands of organic visits per month. Later on, as you cover the bulk of this niche and build traffic to these videos, you can expand into other areas. Many affiliates die due to a lack of consistency. So at the very least, if you're passionate about a niche, you'll find it much easier to press on when the going gets tough. Don't worry if you're not an expert in the field. Documenting what you've learned can make great content and attract people who are interested in following your progress. If you're outsourcing the content, then it's better to work with seasoned experts in the niche. Experts can help you create high-quality, trustworthy work, which can lead to more traffic, engaged visitors, and more affiliate sales. Fiverr is a good place to start. Find affiliate programs to join. There are 3 types of affiliate programs to choose from. High-paying, low-volume affiliate programs. These are affiliate programs for niche products with high payouts. For example, the affiliate program I use, Paul Murphy's Affiliate Tube Success System, pays almost $400 per sale. The secret to getting customers to get involved in Paul Murphy's system is through ranking videos on Google and YouTube on the front page in positions 1, 2, 3, 4, evergreen free ads, set and forget. Google is the biggest search engine on the net, and Google owns YouTube. This is where you should be ranking your videos to get free organic traffic that comes through these search engines, is a huge pool of buyers. Drive traffic to your affiliate video. You've created great video content. The next step is to get more people to watch it, so they will click on your affiliate links. Here are 3 traffic strategies to consider. Paid traffic. This is where you pay for traffic to your site. You can do this using PPC ads. The advantage of paid traffic is that the moment you start paying, you get traffic. However, there are some downsides. First, running ads will dig into your profits. It's quite normal for advertisers to lose money before they make it, if they ever do. Search engine optimization, SEO. SEO is the practice of optimizing pages or videos to rank high in search engines, like Google. For as long as you can rank high in the search engines for your target keywords, you'll get consistent and passive free organic traffic. Build an email list. Email lists allow you to communicate with your readers anytime. Use them to tell fans about new content and keep them coming back to your site for more. This leads to more affiliate clicks and sales. So if you liked my video, give me the thumbs up, mate. You bloody beauty, mate. Ding the bell. Leave a comment, please. Subscribe. Here's to your success living in this COVID world. Stay safe. In the next video we have a look at affiliate marketing without a website on ClickBank. Stay tuned. And thank you. Have a beautiful day.